Hey friends, I want to show you something really, really special. Just so you know, this is going to make your life so much easier. So, I'm going to share my screen and kind of teach you just a really fun thing that we have that can make your life so much easier. So, first off, you want to go to Facebook and you want to go directly to Wellness Warriors. I'm going to tell you how to get to all of the different things that happen every single week. So here at the top, across the top, there are buttons, discussion. So that's the wall where people are putting things down, guides. There's, oh my gosh, so much stuff that you can learn in the guides. But I'm going to show you this featured button right here. When you click on featured, all of the pinned posts come up. So these are important things to watch for every week. So like here, this was the live stream for this week. Now it's going to be different probably when you're watching this recording. It's a $50 drawing this week. Normally it's a $25 drawing that we have every week. And then down here, this is what I'm headed to. We have a calendar. Wellness Warriors Week at a Glance. This was from March 3rd through the 9th, 2025. Now again, it's going to look different each week. Our wonderful Linda posts this for us every single week, but you can just look really quick at a glance. What happens on Monday? There's a WinZoom. Again, you can see at the top, it says all times are mountain. But on Monday, guess what? 8 a.m., WinZoom. 6 p.m., Optimal Health class. There's the Zoom link. 7 p.m., WinZoom. And the $25 drawing. Usually there's a link for the $25 drawing. I don't see that in here yet. Tuesday, the WinZoom, or this week, because once a month, Dr. A's Conscious Leadership Forum. Once a month, the very first Tuesday of every month. And then down here, the next day, Wednesday night, we've got a Health, Hope, and Humor. Got all the information there. Thursday, WinZoom. Friday, WinZoom. Saturday, WinZoom. Sunday, the drawing in the evening. The winner will be announced. But that's not the only really cool thing. Come up here and look at the actual post. Hello, everyone. Here's a schedule of the support Zooms for this week and easy access links to everything below. So if you open this up, all of the links are live. So I could click on this, go right to the WinZoom. If I can't remember where the optimal health class is, right here, you come to Wellness Warriors, you go to the featured section, you look at the calendar at a glance, the Zoom link's right there in live. Dr. A's Conscious Leadership Forum on the first Tuesday every month. Guess what? This will only be in here on the week of that Conscious Leadership Forum. The Health, Hope, and Humor Night with the passcode right here, right at your fingertips. So I just wanted to make sure that you were totally aware how to get here, how to figure this out, and know that all of the links for all week long are right here if you need them, if you can't find them. All right, guys. I was going to show you also, because it's just a touch different on your phone. Not a lot, but it's just a touch different. Let me stop share for a moment. And I'm going to share again because I'm going to show you from a phone. So this is my phone, and we want to go to Facebook. And then same thing. You need to find, by clicking on this, Wellness Warriors. You can type it in across here, but I was just looking at it. So there's Wellness Warriors. Same thing. Do you see all of the buttons across the top? You can actually slide this to the side. Do you see how that moves? This is my phone screen. We're looking for that featured right there. So click on featured. And guess what happens? All of the pinned posts show up right there. So you scroll down through them. There's the Monday night webinar. Here's the drawing post. You scroll down through. Guess what's right here? You've got the calendar at a glance. I love this so much. But I think sometimes it's missed that there is this little see more button. See that? If you click on that see more, the post opens up. And here it is. Oh, look at there. The drawing link is in there. So that will take you directly over to that drawing. If you click on that, that'll take you over so you can read about what to do, how to join us, and then how to get back to that post so that you can comment, because when you comment, that's your entry. After you do all the work, you come back and you comment on that post. But these are all of the live links. Is that not just the coolest thing ever? I hope this helps. Please let me know. If you have any questions, let me know if this helps. Let me know if you'll be using that. All right, thanks.